The town's tagline may be live, work, play Needham, but living and working doesn't always happen comfortably side by side. For years, residents abutting the property owned and run by Needham Gateway, LLC, have had a contentious relationship with the commercial property. When they appeared before the Needham Planning Board to address the unauthorized addition of dumpsters to their lot, these neighbors sought to have their long-standing concerns addressed.
The unauthorized dumpsters have been sitting close to adjacent homes for 15 years. At the planning board meeting on February 15th, neighbors shared their unpleasant experiences of living next to garbage containers.
Last month, I happened to be home when they were being serviced, and it went on for this ritual went on for 20 minutes. I don't know what they're trying to get out of them, like the last sticky little item. And it was just pounding noise. And then they slammed them down on the ground for some reason. And it was so violent. The house shook. And I'm like maybe 5-6 houses away.
The board recommended relocating the dumpsters to the rear side of the parking lot, which will distance the trash from the neighborhood. Neighbors also complained about the construction dumpsters, which were frequently placed next to their property lines when new tenants moved in.
The last one that was there, the guys started throwing objects, all sorts of metallic objects into it at 5:30 in the morning. And then I finally swung around with my car and I says, "What are you doing?" And he says, "I got to do my work." And that's when I called the police. But this is the kind of stuff we've been subjected to over the years. It just never stops.
On February 15th, Needham Gateway LLC manager Mike Moskowitz consented not to place construction dumpsters near the residential homes, but abutters still spotted a dumpster being placed next to their property after that agreement. On March 15th, at the continued hearing on this matter, board member Adam Block called for closer oversight of tenants' compliance.
We would have expected a higher level of management, hands-on management, that when that dumpster was placed on site, that it would have been placed in the area specifically that we required it.
But when the Needham Channel News went to the parking lot on March 22nd, the construction dumpster was still placed by the resident's side. Moskowitz has not responded to our request seeking for comments as of this recording on March 24th. Abutters are also upset about the stray garbage, which sometimes blows under the fence to the residents' yards when the cleaning crew works in the parking lot. Moskowitz said he did not believe it was intentional.
But nonetheless, it's my responsibility to have it picked up. And they are there at least twice a week. But I will instruct him very clearly to make sure that he does not blow it over the fence.
The board will continue to review the site plan and listen to public comments regarding the additional dumpsters on Monday, March 28th. For the Needham Channel News, I'm Yu Xiaoyuan.